If you think taking meeting minutes means trying to write down every single word that gets said, you are putting your organization in legal jeopardy. Courts have repeatedly ruled that minutes are meant to provide evidence that actions were taken according to proper procedures. They are not a newsletter, and they are certainly not a transcript of conversations or debates. We are going to build a strict, repeatable process. Step by step, we will take a messy meeting and turn it into a finalized, bulletproof PDF that shields your organization from liability. To start, you need 3 basic tools in front of you before the meeting even begins: the approved meeting agenda, a blank sign-in sheet, and your standardized minutes template. Remember, the goal here is not to preserve memories. The goal is organizational defense. Step 1 begins before the gavel falls. You need to establish exactly who is in the room by circulating that physical or digital sign-in sheet immediately. Log the voting members, the guests, and the staff. If someone arrives late or leaves early, note the precise time. Do not allow unauthorized audio or video recordings. In the event of litigation, off-the-cuff recordings create severe discovery risks and can override official minutes. When the meeting is called to order, log the exact time, log the specific date, the facility location, and confirm a quorum is established. This header section is also where you place self-serving protective statements. For example, logging that an antitrust avoidance statement was read and distributed to the board proves compliance right off the bat. Setting these attendance and policy boundaries at the very beginning stops procedural disputes before a single item is voted on. Once the meeting is running, follow one operational rule above all others. Record the action, ignore the conversation. Don't write a dense block of text logging every debate. You want a clean sentence showing the action taken. Record the exact phrasing and its outcome: passed, amended, tabled, or failed. Don't list who made the motion or discussion notes. Leave those out entirely. Brevity limits risk. A sparse document with clear outcomes leaves no room for future misinterpretation. As the meeting wraps up, log consensus decisions and assigned homework tasks without detailing the debate that led to them. Close out the document by recording the exact time of adjournment, setting the date and location for the next meeting, and adding your name at the bottom of the last page. Before you pass this initial copy to the elected secretary for review, proofread it. Typos have no place in a permanent legal document. Until formally approved, you must label these minutes as a work in progress by stamping it with a clear draft watermark on every page. This label isolates the organization. It ensures that no one can act on an unapproved commitment until the board officially adopts it. You have a strict deadline. Distribute the draft minutes to the attendees within 30 days of the meeting. When you send them out, always export the file as an uneditable PDF. Never distribute the original word processing file, which could be easily altered. Do not attach financial statements or committee reports directly to the minutes. Official minutes belong in the legal vault. Ancillary reports go to a separate reference folder. Keep the core document clean. Once the minutes are officially approved, destroy all the raw notes, draft copies, and scratch pads you used to write them. If the board authorized an audio recording to help you take notes, delete that file immediately upon approval of the minutes. Purging these drafts is a vital security step. In the eyes of the law, only one official truth can be allowed to exist. By following these steps, you take a chaotic room full of opinions and refine it into a clean, highly protected digital asset. The guiding principle of this entire process is that less is more. To help you implement this strategy right away, we have provided professional templates in the video description below. Mastering this strict protocol ensures that if the organization's actions are ever questioned in court, the record you've created provides the definitive proof of their proper conduct. This disciplined approach is how you secure the organization's future, one meeting at a time.